The old campground. We're out here hiking. Me and Mickey and baby Enzo. We're out here hiking. Let's see little baby Enzo. Oh, he's sleeping. No disturbing, eh?
No, first trekking of the family.
First hike for first hike for Enzo. I called him. Yeah, here we are. Look at this little forest. It is winter, but it's plus 30 today. And what's this river called?
What's the river called?
Yeah.
The name?
Yes.
San Antonio.
San Antonio River. Pa pa pa. How is it pushing the cochecito? It's a little tricky, huh? You want to come down here?
Yeah.
It's hard because of sand, huh?
It's sand now.
Here,
But I think over there it's easier.
Yes.
Or
over there, yes. Yeah, it's a little sandy. Here we are in San Antonio by the San Antonio River. I bet you this water is pretty warm. I'm gonna fly my drone today. We came out here to test drive the drone, the Jmar drone. He actually sent it, and then the battery was broken, so then he sent another care package, which he sent to Abba Zaba, these wicked shades, and a few other things like fireball whiskey, fireball whiskey scarf. What else? 2 watches in case I wanted to pimp, and 2 batteries and some chocolates. Yeah, Mickey's mom ate the chocolates, I think. Did she?
yes.
Of course. And we're going over here. I don't know, we're trying to find an open area because right now, as you can see, trees. And the trees will definitely kill the drone, because you don't want to fly the drone into trees. Woo! Oh man, I lost it last night. I got so drunk because the internet wasn't working, and as a YouTuber you need good internet, so every time the internet screwed up I flipped out and I just drank. So then today I was sick, very sick, on the toilet, eh? Ooh, I blew that toilet up. Damn, it smelled, it was gross. And here I am. I'm feeling a little bit better, but still a little woozy. But that happens.
You always walk when you're feeling sick.
Yes.
That helps you, I think.
Yeah, I always have to walk, no matter what.
Oh, there's people.
Where?
All over here, look.
Yes. Yeah, see, it's like, it's so beautiful out there, enjoying the weather. And there's a diaper.
Oh,
Yeah. Yeah, they're all enjoying life over there, eh? The kids are in the water, see? It must be warm.
You want to check?
Yeah. Maybe we can check, yeah? Let's go down. I'll go down there. Yeah, man, it's rock and roll Chad here. Woo! Uh-oh. Damn. Hopefully there's no snakes, eh? It's actually pretty sandy. This is a sandy beach. Sandy beach? What? I wasn't swearing. Oh. Here it is, huh? The sand is thick, boy. This is thick boy sand. Oh. This is quicksand. You wanna, maybe we can fly the drone here, huh? No, we'll keep going, eh? Far? For sure. Look at this place. You guys will see me. I got my pilot shades on. I got my sombrero ready to fly. And we're gonna do it. Do it. Mickey's got her JC Max cowboy hat, aka the Argentine cowgirl.
I think in the other, in front of here, there's a path, like a nice path to walk.
Yeah? Alright, we'll go. Yeah, there's another town up here, eh?
Yeah, San Antonio de Redondo. We are in that pretty bridge. We are already in San Antonio de Redondo.
Here, I'm gonna take turn. I'm gonna push the buggy a little bit.
Yes.
Place. Is this an actual house?
I don't know, it could be like a bar.
It's cool, huh? It looks like a little bar or a club or a patio. If it's a house, that'd be cool to rent, I think, for a night. That's it. Woo! And here we are. We got lots of
Hola, pa.
These kids would be perfect to give away jerseys too. Huh? No fishes, huh? Woo! San Antonio de Arredondo, Cordoba. Yeah, so if you're looking at what I'm saying or trying to figure out what I'm saying, San Antonio de Arredondo. I don't even know how to say it. I thought that was a weird ass penguin, but it's a cute little ladybug. See, there it is. And there's the other one with the big eagle. The big, we'll go check this out, why not, eh? And there's Papaya Restaurant there. Look at my shades, huh? I forgot I'm wearing these shades. I look like such a Chad. Look at this thing. This thing's a turkey or a vulture or something. San Antonio. Look at that beauty, huh? See those little green parrots? That's how they build their nest up there. It's cool. I don't know if you can see them. See that little guy up there? Green little parrots. They're cute as hell. And that's all the noise that you hear in the background, all the chirping and everything. It's always these parrots. There's so many of these parrots that you leave your trash out, they attack you. Look at this fresh horse shit. Beauty, eh? Look at the mountains in the back and the cool rocks. All the kids playing on the rocks, you know, enjoying family time out here. And they say Argentina, huh? And it's weird that there's not too many YouTubers that go to Argentina, like more often, right? It's a beautiful place, a lot to see here. And look at this. It's crazy. Look at all the parrots there. See them all? And the long. Or see, look at them all. Look at these things. These things are beautiful. I had to chase them to get them flying. But they're quick little runners, huh? Damn, they made a fat boy run. Jesus. I don't know why I'm showing you birds, eh? And all you ladies are like, you're showing us the wrong bird. Thisisbunjo. No, I'm joking. I got a girlfriend, relax. Oh, we're coming up to a horse. A horse in the distance, of course. Look at this one. Still on the phone, huh? Look at these massive thorns. This one's really horny, this tree. Oh, I'd hate to fall and hit every branch on this tree of life. Look at those things. Those are thick, baby. I got one of those stuck in my shoe and almost went through my foot like a nail. Ding, ding, ding. Look at this beauty, eh? Only in Argentina. Down the path, you got a beautiful horse. Look at this guy. That's a beauty. He's like, what are you doing, buddy? It looks like BoJack Horseman here, huh? It's a beauty though, look at him. Only in Argentina. Where's all the gauchos here to ride this cowboy? Yeah, what a beauty. Only in Argentina, on the riverbank along the path, get a horse.
Okay, Thisisbunjo.
You ready? This is first flight. You got it? Let's see if I can do this, Daddy. We got takeoff, baby.
Oh my god.
Look at the rain.
I can see what it is. This guy, yeah. Woo! Woo! Baby.
Here, come in. it. Now watch it come home. We're gonna press that go home button. Let's see it. See if it works. Japan, forward. And the pilot succeeded. First flight. Woo! How do you like that? Was it exciting?
Scary?
Scary? Woo! Little Enzito's head. There he is. We left him alone. We're bad parents.
It's okay.
That's good, huh?
Perfecto.
And there's the first flight. Thank you, Jmar. That was very fun. And we loved it. And we're out here, baby, in Carlos Paz. You know what time of day it is. It's Rock'em Sock'em Chad, baby. Woo! How about you? What are you? What's your character?
Where is my character? Which one? I don't know. Mwah. I love you. Crazy. Okay.
Shit, turn it up. Look how cute he is. First flight was a success. Hey, Enzo? Yes, it was, Daddy. I love you, Daddy. He's a good boy, isn't he? And we're out here. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and share. And always comment and
Subscribe.
visit.
www.thisisbunjo.com.
Yeah! Here. Oh.
Este es el Joe de Joe, este no es tu Joe, cambia que hubo por el asado. Este es el Joe de Joe. ¡Wow!